Are you planning a trip to Japan with a JR Pass? Well, buckle up and get ready to learn how to reserve your train tickets using the ticket machines. Even if you don't speak Japanese, these machines are easy to use and can be found in most JR stations. With our step-by-step guide, you'll be able to reserve your ticket quickly and easily, guaranteeing yourself a seat on the Shinkansen or local trains. Say goodbye to waiting in long lines and say hello to comfortable, convenient travel. So, let's dive in and become a pro at reserving tickets with your JR Pass. Step 1. Locate the ticket machine. The ticket machines are usually located near the entrance or ticket gates of the train station. Step 2. Select your language. Most ticket machines offer an English language option, which can be accessed by locating and pressing the English button. Alternatively, you may choose to follow my approach and directly select the Japan Rail Pass option first, and will later allow you to select your preferred language from the next screen. Step 3. Select how you will reserve the ticket. The Receive Reserved Seat ticket, reserved via website, is only available to those who have purchased their JR Pass from the official Japan Rail Pass website, which allows them to reserve their tickets online. However, buying a JR Pass from the official website may cost more, compared to purchasing it from an overseas JR designated sales office or agency. As for me, I bought my JR Pass from an overseas JR designated sales office, so I will select the Select Train to Use Now option. Step 4. Select the number of JR Pass users. Step 5. Scan your JR Pass. In order to register your JR Pass and the information it contains, the ticket machine requires you to scan the barcode on your pass. Step 6. Enter your passport number. Ensure to enter the correct passport number that corresponds with the scanned JR Pass. The last 4 digits of your passport number are printed on the bottom left of your JR Pass. It's important to verify that the passport number you enter matches your actual passport number before proceeding. Step 7. Repeat Step 5 and 6 for more than one JR Pass. If you are traveling in a group or with family members, you will need to repeat Steps 5 and 6 for each individual. To simplify the process, it is recommended to save all passport information on your mobile device for easy reference. This way, you won't need to take out your passports one by one from your bag and put them back again. Step 8. Select your departure station. To specify your departure station, select the Enter button on the screen. Enter the name of your current station or your intended departure station if you wish to reserve your ticket in advance. As you begin typing the station name, the machine will provide a list of suggested stations to choose from. From this list, you can select your preferred station. Step 9. Select your arrival station. To specify your arrival station, select the Enter button on the screen. Enter the name of your preferred arrival station. Step 10. Change the date if reserving tickets in advance. Select the Change button and then choose your preferred date from the available options. Step 11. Change the time. Select the Change button and enter your preferred time for either your departure or arrival station. Step 12. Search the train. After you have entered all the necessary information for your preferred train, select the Search button on the screen. The machine will then search for trains that closely match your requirements. Step 13. Select your preferred train. Review the options provided and choose your preferred one. Step 14. Select your train car type. Choose either the ordinary car type or the green car type. The ordinary car type is equivalent to economy class, while the green car type is similar to business class. If you are satisfied with your selection, select the Confirm button. Since I bought the green car JR Pass, I will select from the green car column. But if you bought the ordinary car JR Pass, please select from the ordinary car column instead. Step 15. Select your seat type. Choose your preferred seat type. There are 2 options available: the ordinary seat and the seat with oversized luggage space. Since my luggage can fit in the overhead compartment and is not oversized, I will select the ordinary seat. Step 16. Repeat Step 14 and Step 15 if you have connecting trains. If you have a connecting train like mine, you will need to repeat Steps 14 and 15 for your next train. Once you have selected the car type and seat type for both trains, select the Confirm button. Step 17. Select your seat location. At this point, you will have the option to either select your seat from the seat map or let the machine assign one for you. Personally, I prefer to choose my own seat, so I select the Select from Seat Map button. Then, I select the car I prefer and choose my desired seat location. Once I have made my selection, I select the Confirm button. Step 18. Repeat Step 17 if you have connecting trains. Step 19. Review your train's selections. Verify that all the information you have entered is accurate, then confirm your reservation by selecting the Confirm button. Step 20. Collect your reserved tickets. The ticket machine will generate all the necessary tickets, including your seat numbers and other relevant information. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please click and subscribe and comment below.